Rick and Karen are out trout fishing today. We found a little trout hole here just less than a mile from our dock out here at Mattlacha Pass. We're just casting out some artificial lures. This time of the year the shrimp are way too small. We're trying to catch them on these artificials called soft plastics. So far we've caught probably 15 between the two of us in about an hour. So the fishing's been pretty good today.
Okay, what's happening?
Alright, we've got a small trout on. This is number 16 between the two of us. Nice size, it's about 13 inches. They need to be 15 inches to be legal, but that's not a bad size little trout. They're fun to catch. And we're going to let this guy go.
You had a 17-inch one though. If it had been another year, we could have kept that one.
No, we would have kept it. Oh yeah, yeah. We would have kept it. Oh wow. Can you hold them up with your hand so we can see them? Hold them straight to the camera.
There you go.
Oh, nice trout. Very good. All right, thank you.
Alrighty.
Okay, Karen's got a gator trout on.
Can you see him? Whoa! Damn! He broke it.
I don't know if that was a
poor
trout.
baby.
That might have been a, boy, it might be on the video. I had to point it right there. I don't know if I got it or not, but hey, Trout Karen, look at that nice gator trout. Whoa, he's splashing us. What do you think?
I think it's a pretty cool fish.
All right, try and get him in the boat here. There's a nice fish. That's a big gator trout.
Wow,
Hold
it's
that.
got to be at least 20.
Hold
Oh
that.
my God, he gave you your pinfish back.
Hold that fish up, Karen. Hold him up with your hands.
Wait a second. He's pooping all over me, Rick. Oh, Christ.
One hand there and then one hand on the
No, I can't do that.
nice trout. Are you videoing?
I think so. It's a nice trout, but it's smaller than the one we just had.
That's a nice looking fish.
It'll grow better.
There we go.
Bigger for next year.
We know that those larger trout will eat the big fish. We know that. So that's proven. And Karen, the trout lady, the trout whisperer.
Here you go.
She's got another trout.
Barely.
Fighting pretty good. Bring him on in. Oh, it's a nice one. Nice trout. Nice trout. Look at him.
Awesome trout.
Gonna hold him up? No.
Well, yeah. You got the rod?
Watch your hook. Watch that hook.
Okay.
Look here. Hold up. There we go. Nice trout.
Wow, I'm losing him.
Nice trout. Okay.
What do you got down there?
Big Jack Ravel. How about that?
That might be what I had that got
I
off.
think that's what you had. That's looking more like the Jack Ravel now. They're not good eating.
I didn't see.
They make good shark bait though.
Oh, come on, let him go.
I'm gonna let him go. You're lucky. It's your lucky day, Karen. I'm gonna make you feel good. I'm not gonna kill this fish.
Okay.
All right, but the next one I will.
He might have swallowed it anyway.
It might just be.
He's under the boat.
He might just be snagged too. Sometimes you snag this thing.
A bluefish?
That's a bluefish.
A bluefish? In
Yeah.
Mattlacha Pass?
That's a bluefish.
Damn.
Be
Maybe
careful,
that's
they,
what I had.
They are really snappers. Look at that bluefish. I snagged them.
I was doing my. How about that? On one little fin. God bless him.
That must be what you had. A bluefish.
Yeah.
They're called snappers. They'll really bite you. That is a snapping bluefish.
Well, cool. I didn't know they were here in the pass.